Are you looking for the best investments to make for long-term growth? Now listen, I'll tell you something while I'm driving over here. First of all, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, but I'm going to tell you this. When you're thinking about long-term investing, it's important to focus on the options that can help you build wealth steadily over many years. So whether you're saving for retirement or just planning for the future, making smart investment choices now can pay off big time later. It's about compound interest. So listen, in this video, we're going to discuss some of the biggest, best long-term investments to help you reach your financial goals. All right? I'm going to give you 5. Here are 5 great long-term investments to consider. The first one is stocks. Stocks of reliable companies like Microsoft or Google can really grow steadily and increase value over time. There's index funds like the S&P 500, which allow you to invest in a wide range of companies, helping you to spread the risk while seeing growth. I love this one. Then you got real estate, which is a solid long-term investment that can really provide both property value growth and rental income. If you like dealing with people, and it's up to you. Then there's bonds, which are lower risk investments that can give you steady returns over time. And we also have the retirement accounts like the 401ks or the Roth IRAs that let you invest for the long term with tax benefits to help you grow your money. All right? So, the key to long-term investing is patience. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. And if you like this video, leave me a like. I love you.